Okay, this is a external hard drive. It transmits hard drive information to through your USB. This is here's the inside of the other one. That's SATA connection, so it's for SATA drives. This is a 2 terabyte. Yes, I have a mess behind there. And the type that it is I'm trying not to get the light there. I turned down the brightness. Okay, there we go. Thermal take. Cool your life. Yeah, okay. Cool all your life. Anyways, so we have one hard drive in here. I had 2 in here, but this one's not working correctly at the moment. As soon as I find a SATA cable, I'll probably switch it out to that and see if I can get both at the same time. Because my other hard drive that I have is right here. This is a 4 terabyte hard drive. Barracuda. It's really so sad that they took the Barracuda name off of Seagate. I love Barracuda. Anyways, yeah. So I've had these for a while, and this one goes in there as well, but it wants to give me a hard time, so I just took it out for now. And you know, these want to blink when I have them both in here now. This thing is a little bit loose, but I don't want to touch it right now because I am copying some information right now. Right there. That's all connected right there. I am copying it to my server where my skybids.com website is. And all I'm doing really, sorry about the refresh rate there. That's going to be on the screen, so it's going to be on the, it's not on the screen, but it's on the, that refresh, the colors that you see are from the refresh rate of the monitor that's coming through on the camera. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a bunch of videos and images that I was using this drive for, and I'm transferring them and backing them up over to my server, which is taking like several hours because I have too much stuff, including that. Well, I have 145 in queue, and that's only the videos. I didn't even do the images yet. No failed transfers. Everything's going through. I have 165 that went through already. Why am I doing all of this? Because I have Linux Ubuntu on this right here, which looks rather dark. There we go. Red. Anyways, right here I have Linux Ubuntu Studio, and you can create music, you can do all kinds of media stuff in it, and I want to play with it and do a bunch of videos, just having some fun with that. I also have to do GIMP videos, but I have a subscription to Photoshop as well. So I'm trying to rebuild my new life into being a creator instead of a tech support person, because everybody already has tech support from everybody they know, or they ask strangers and demand that they receive free tech support. So all the tech support I ever learned that was taught to me, and where I was told that I could use it to pay the rent with has not worked for a long time. Well, now with COVID and other things that have happened in my life, I am going into more affiliate marketing, going into more creativity, tutoring. I have to find my, I have to, I have to hone into whatever I'm doing and do it. I'm so nervous, but I am going to get to it. So right now, Windows has screwed up since yesterday or the day before. I've worked with Windows and I've worked with Microsoft since DOS, installing it, configuring it, troubleshooting it, working with it. I've done all of these things since the beginning of DOS, and it's come to a point now with Windows 11 coming up and Windows 10 rebooting without me knowing it's going to reboot while I'm in the middle of recording in OBS. I mean, it's just, and then Microsoft, they took some stuff out of the control panel where you think you're going to go one place and it just goes somewhere else, and you don't know that that's going to happen ahead of time, and then you have to read about it on Twitter, like, oh, they took that out of there, but even though it looks the same in the control panel, that's not that anymore, it goes somewhere else. They're just, I have to get away from it. And it's really a resource hog. I want to be able to get in my computer, and I want to be able to do things, and I don't want it to slow down, and I want to live my life. So this is the steps that I've been trying to do for a long, long time, and now I'm finally doing it. It slowed down on me trying to stream yesterday, so I said, I just can't wait any longer. I gotta get this done. I have this hard drive right here. Ubuntu Studio shows that it will repartition the hard drive. I said, okay, well, I'd rather do it to that drive than the C drive. So all I'm doing right now is I'm making a backup of everything, and that's the only place I have to do it because of the problem that this thing is having with having both drives in there. So now I'm putting it on the server, which is taking a while. But I might lose a whole day and many, many hours doing it this way, whereas I'm just being overcautious. It might not harm anything. It might repartition by simply, and I know how this works on a hard drive, where it might just take the empty space and not do any erasing of the other items that are already there that I'm backing up. But I'm going to do a backup anyways, because it's always safe than sorry. Make sure you have a backup of your data. And then as soon as I set it up, Ubuntu Studio, then I'm going to go ahead, and if everything works fine on the drive, then I'll go ahead and just delete everything on the server. I'm not going to leave it there. Yeah, it'll be fine. So, I'm real excited. This will take a couple of days, and I'll put up some more videos, I promise, of all the steps as I go through them in order to do this. Alright, everybody have a nice day. I think that'll make this video at the moment, and we will stop this video and say goodbye. And I don't want to be on camera because I don't look so great, I don't think, so I'm not camera ready. So I will say goodbye and see you later. Bye.